Okay, I've got some nice promotion pages here for you. They've got a mid-season sale going on at GearBest, but they've also got loads of other pages of sale items as well. So these are sort of en masse. And then I've got some a spreadsheet with some coupon codes in for you, so you save money on specific items. And then also I've got a massive giveaway at the end as well. So it's going to be hopefully a good video for you. I'm going to head straight into these with the mid-season sale. Now there's links to everything I'm going to talk about down in description, and including a link to the spreadsheet as well. Use those, takes you directly to the pages, you're not hunted around. Now the reason I'm running through all these things is they've scattered everything all over their website. I think the websites are so large, they add another page, another promotion, and it just gets larger and larger. So I'm trying to consolidate this all in one video for you. So this is the latest one, and I'm just going to run through them. You've got the buy now, so you've just literally anything here, click on it and you'll get it at these prices. You can see they want to rub your nose in it so you can see what you've missed out on, I think is the idea there. I'm not too sure why, but they do. And then you've got a coming up, so you know, you can see what's coming up, and then you know you're ready to buy. You can pop up and down as soon as you start moving up and down your scroll key on your mouse, or if you're moving this up and down, you get menus come up down the side. Simply click that and it will jump you down to wherever you need to go on to. And then if you want to go to the back to the top, just click that one and you're back up there. Loads of other pages of this, so you've got #1 brands exclusive, same sort of thing. You just scan down and you've got all sorts of different things, but these are in brands, as they say. So I would go for the Helifar because the RC stuff's the stuff that interests me. Some of these appear in other places, some of them don't. It's yeah, it's really convoluted, and I'm finding this on a lot of the websites. They're getting so huge with what they're doing. Onto their flagships, have landed, deals, all sorts of different things here. And again, there are some quads in here as well, stuck around all over the place, sort of thing. Like I say, they're in different areas. So hopefully this will help you get through. You've got the flash sale as well, which is their other one that they sort of run quite often. And you've got the on sale now, or you've got what's coming up in the next few hours. They had a 72-hour super sale for Father's Day, and again some nice little deals in there as well, sort of hot deals you pop down to, and again there's the odd quad sort of stuck in, and again these are at nice prices, but they're all over the place to go and find them, but hopefully again it will help. World Cup fever, so we're in the middle of that now, so there's some pretty good stuff in there. There's some nice action cams and everything. On to another one. Now, this one runs all the time. I always find the graphics really weird on this one, but they do update this and change this quite constantly. Once you're scanning down, the one I always like to dive into first of all is the clearance one, and then you can see how much discount you're getting off and see the really sort of cheapy ones. Nothing wrong with buying them. They're usually good products. They're just the new ones have come out, that's all. Or perhaps they never really made it as brilliant products. You know, I'm not pointing at anything specific there. I was just hovering over them. I actually like this one, so I can't really knock this one too much. But yeah, and then obviously if you're after ESCs or anything else, you just click to where you need to go to. And the final one is the RC toy sales. Like I say, what's that? 6-7 pages of different things, and they all come back to all sorts of different deals. And again, just dive in, have a look around, and you know, wherever you want to have a look for your FPV systems or anything. On to the spreadsheet now. Now, the spreadsheet I've put together, I can't find another way of doing this. Sorry, I'm even struggling to get the words out. This is the only way I can sort of simplify this. I think I would like it a bit better, but until I come up with a better idea of doing it, I can't really see it. Now, the first thing I want to point out, with this mid-season sale, I've got the end times of all these things, and the times do change. So once you've gone past that time, or they're limited quantities, once they've gone, they're gone. They are running the mid-season sale up to the 9th of July, but they have a 10% sale site-wide. Now, I haven't noticed this anywhere else. You need this code here, GB Mid-Year 2018, and to go to the pages, you just simply hover over here, and then that will throw up a direct link. You click that direct link, and then go in here, and you can literally look anywhere around the site, order whatever you want to order, and then if you use this code here, you'll get 10% off anything that isn't in a special sale, or you know, the flash sales, or has got more than 10% off or anything like that. But that's site wide. I haven't found that anywhere else, so I think that's pretty cool. You've got your promotion page as well, and you've got one here that you can use, which is GP 5 off as well, and then these ones just take you straight through to the pages as well. Handy one here, if you're a new customer, you get some built-in deals in here as well. Again, hover over and then click on, and then you get some special deals here, and you have to use, you basically order this, and then you need to copy this code and then paste it in as you go out, and it's only for new buyers. So I love the way they look after new people. All companies do this, don't they? I think they ought to look after existing customers, is a better way of working the business, I would say. But I don't run a big RC business, so I don't know. Now, if you want to use one of the codes here, and let's find something really nice like the new bugs B5W here. So hover over the link, brings you into the link, takes you straight to the page, and as you can see, it's coming up at $199. I've left it all in dollars, just the easier way. I'm going to go and view my cart. Come over to view my cart, and then I'm going to proceed to checkout. Scroll down and you come down to use coupon codes. Come back to the spreadsheet itself, and here's the code for it here. Just click that with your left button of your mouse, right click it, and then copy it, or you can Control C if you're good with your computers. Go back to your checkout area, and as you can see, $199.08. I always go for the insurance. Now, I've had one person comment and say PayPal covers the insurance. You don't have to pay this extra one. I don't know. I've always paid the insurance, so that's just being honest. And in all the years I've been dealing with these companies, I've only had 2 issues in all the orders that I've ever placed, and I've actually had one with another company and one with this company. So I'm just being honest here, and because I had insurance, I felt it got dealt with very quickly. It's up to you. It's entirely up to you. So I can left button mouse click on here, and then right button mouse click, and then paste. And as you can see, we've got the special coupon code. Click that button, and it's taken $20 off. So, and then proceed to checkout and everything. So I've got all the discount codes here, and then if we come down the bottom here, you should see that we've actually got discounts, just general discounts on them. So this will be flash sales and stuff like that. These things are constantly changing. So if you click through and it comes up with a different price, it could be higher, it could be lower, but this is just what's current when I make this video. And on to that giveaway, and what do you reckon it's going to be? It's going to be an MJX, isn't it? And this is the new B3H, so it's got the altitude hold. I've just done a full review on it, and I'll put a link in description so you can go and have a look. And I'm actually giving away the 1080p camera one. I've only got the 720p camera one, but I was very impressed with it. They've really done a nice job with it, and they have changed quite a bit on it as well. It's not exactly the same as the original Bugs. Now, to enter the competition, all you have to do is please give us a thumbs up on this. It encourages me to do more. Do make sure you're subscribed to the channel, and also leave a comment. And my granddaughter will pick out the winner, and that's totally random. I have nothing to do with that. She goes off and just picks her winner, and then I shall announce that at the end of the month. So I wish you good luck. Hopefully you pick up some bargains there, and I'll see you on the next video.